problem with most high income skill videos is that they hand you a random list and then send you on your way. But nobody really explains why certain skills actually make money, who they make money for, and whether any of those skills actually match how your brain works. That's why so many people spend months learning something that never actually converts into real income. In today's video, we're talking about the high income skills you should actually learn if your goal is to make around $7,000 a month. And more importantly, why people approach this completely wrong. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and the truth is high income doesn't come from learning trendy skills. It comes from solving expensive problems for people and businesses that are already willing to pay. That really is the shift right there, and once you understand that, the entire conversation changes. So in this video, I'm breaking down which skills are actually growing, which ones AI is replacing, and how to choose the right skill for your personality, and even why some of the most boring skills actually pay the most, and how to start getting paid without waiting years to feel ready. Let's go ahead and get into it. Now, the simplest way to think about a high income skill is this. It's a skill that helps a business make more money, save significant time, reduce stress, automate systems, or attract customers faster. Businesses pay for outcomes, not effort, not passion, not how hard something feels, but actual real results. That mindset shift is where a lot of people can get stuck. They assume the market rewards what feels the most creative or exciting, and it doesn't always. Sometimes the highest paying skills look boring from the outside, like email marketing, automation, SEO, paid ads, system building, appointment setting. None of those sound super glamorous, but businesses will pay extremely well for all of them because they directly affect revenue. Your target market matters just as much as your skills. Solving a huge emotional problem for someone without disposable income is still financially hard no matter how good you are. But solving even a relatively small problem for a business or a wealthy client can become very profitable very quickly. That's one of the most important business lessons that people learn too late. Now, AI is replacing generic work, so here's what that actually means for you. Basic writing, generic captions, simple logo design, templated blog posts, and a lot of that work is becoming automated. And the people most affected are those who built their entire value proposition around execution alone. But AI does still struggle significantly with strategy, storytelling, branding, positioning, systems thinking, emotional intelligence, and audience psychology. And that's exactly where human value is increasing, not decreasing. The internet is truly flooded with mediocre content, but clear thinking and strong communication are becoming more rare and more valuable by the day. So the smarter question isn't what is AI replacing, it's what becomes more valuable because AI exists. Strategic thinking, nuanced communication, creative direction, and system design all become harder to commoditize as AI handles the generic layer underneath them. And that's how you want to position yourself. Okay, so skill number one is short form content editing. Short form content editing is still one of the biggest opportunities available right now because the demand is relentless. Creators, brands, coaches, real estate agents, fitness businesses, podcasts, and e-commerce stores all need content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and ads constantly and at volume. But the editors making real money aren't just cutting clips, they're understanding hooks, pacing, emotional storytelling, retention, caption writing, and how each platform rewards different types of content. That combination is what separates someone charging commodity rates from someone charging premium rates. Having tools like Descript and Opus Clip are absolutely worth exploring because businesses increasingly want faster content production without building full production teams. If you want to check out either of those, we do have links down in the description below. Now, this skill is especially strong for creative people who think visually and enjoy storytelling. Skill number two is automations and AI workflows. Businesses are operationally overwhelmed right now. Too many leads, too many disconnected tools, too many repetitive tasks that eat hours every single week. And that's why automation is one of the fastest growing skill categories. Businesses want automated follow-up systems, CRM workflows, AI chat integrations, appointment booking automation, onboarding flows, and lead management systems that run without someone manually touching every step. This is genuinely high leverage work because the ROI is immediate and measurable. Businesses can see exactly what the automation is saving them. It's also particularly well suited for analytical people who prefer solving logical problems over creating content. If you enjoy building systems and making things run efficiently, this category has significant income potential with relatively fast monetization. Skill number three is email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most consistently underrated high income skills online, and that's been true for a long time. Businesses can usually generate traffic and leads, but what they struggle with is keeping those people engaged long enough to actually buy again. Customer retention and lifetime value are now among the top priorities for serious businesses, and email is the primary channel where both happen. Welcome sequences, abandoned cart flows, sales campaigns, newsletters, launch emails, and retention systems are all all things businesses pay really well for because, again, they connect directly to revenue. It's not the glamorous work, but the income is real and the demand is consistent. This is one of the better skill options for introverts who prefer working behind the scenes and thinking carefully about how communication influences behavior. Skill number 4 is SEO and content strategy. So SEO has evolved significantly because AI changed how people actually search, but businesses still desperately need organic traffic and they need people who understand how to build it strategically. The businesses winning with SEO aren't just publishing blog posts, they're building content systems. Keyword research, search intent mapping, authority building, conversion-focused content, and long-term distribution strategy. That's why people who understand both SEO and business strategy are extremely valuable. Tools like SEMrush have become essential here because businesses want real visibility into keyword opportunities, competitor strategies, and search trends, not just guesswork. The skill does compound over time, which makes it one of the better options for people building towards long-term stability rather than fast freelance income. If you want to check out SEMrush and get started with a free 14-day trial, you can go ahead and do that by using our link down below. Skill number 5 is community and audience building. Attention is one of the most expensive things a business can buy right now, which is why community management, audience engagement, DM automation, and creator operations are all growing really fast. Businesses are realizing that a loyal, engaged audience is a long-term asset, and building and managing that relationship requires real human skill. Tools like ManyChat are becoming central to this category because businesses want automated conversation flows and lead generation systems running through social platforms while actually still feeling personal. This skill is especially strong for extroverted people who enjoy communication, relationship building, and connecting audiences to brands in a way that feels genuine instead of transactional. If you haven't gotten signed up with ManyChat, it's so easy to use and so beneficial. You can set these different workflows, so if someone comments, you can not only reply to the comment in an automated way, but also automatically send the lead magnet or free resource or whatever it is that you're sending. But if you want to check out ManyChat, again, you can get started for free by using our link down below. I want to talk about rich clients versus broke clients. This is something that most skill videos never actually address, and it's one of the most important business lessons that you can internalize really early on. You can solve a genuinely meaningful problem for someone who doesn't have disposable income and still struggle financially. Not because you're doing bad work, but because the market you're in can't support premium pricing. Industries like real estate, finance, med spas, law firms, e-commerce, business education, and luxury services regularly pay very well for marketing and operational skills because they already understand ROI. If you can help a business grow revenue, they know exactly what that's worth. Positioning yourself in higher income markets isn't about being an elitist. It's just about making sure that the value you create can actually come back to you financially. Now I want to talk about choosing a skill that actually fits your personality because a lot of people don't actually talk about this. If you hate the work, you're not going to stick with it long enough to actually get good at it, and you need depth to command real income. Creative people tend to thrive in editing, branding, content creation, UGC, and storytelling. Analytical people often perform better in automation, paid ads, SEO, and systems design. Extroverts tend to gravitate towards sales, community management, and creator operations. Introverts often do their best work in copywriting, back-end systems, email marketing, and behind-the-scenes workflows. Understanding which categories you belong to matters more than chasing whatever skill is trending this month. Honestly, most high earners don't rely on just one isolated skill long-term. They combine skills in ways that make them significantly harder to replace. Editing plus storytelling, copywriting plus funnel strategy, automation plus AI implementation, content creation plus sales psychology. Each combination creates a different type of value that no single skill produces alone. Businesses don't just want someone who can execute a task, they want someone who understands outcomes. That's what skill stacking actually builds towards. The biggest shift you can make right now is stopping the search for the easiest skill and starting to think about which expensive problems you're actually positioned to solve. The income follows the value and the value follows the depth. If you want to make your life even easier on top of your skills by using any of the systems that I mentioned, those links are down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop the skill you're thinking about learning in the comments below, and we'll tell you if we think it's oversaturated, underrated, or an actual real opportunity. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.